Now you need to set the color for your player. Inside the draw method is where we assign the string to ctx fill style, and we assign the string, and we're done. However, let's take a step back as to what is the meaning of the ctx and why is there a property of fill style. So actually ctx is it's referring to the HTML5 canvas API, if I am correct, and it is just an abbreviation of context. And ctx is a method that provides us the functionalities to um, draw shapes and draw curves and change color. And if we ever and there is a property for those functionalities, and these are the property such as fill style, but it's not limited to this fill style property. Okay, so if you read it, if we read this ctx fill style, we are instructing JavaScript that inside the draw method is that we have to access the API ctx, and then we interpolate the fill style, meaning we will fill the style or change color. No, let's just stick with fill the style. So we will fill the style with this color, and that is when we use, or that is when we call the draw method. So that would be it. I hope I get that right, but if you have questions, feel free to comment down below. Nice.